Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Adding Anaconda Python to the path on Windows 10 involves a few steps, but it's a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. Firstly, you need to download and install Anaconda on your Windows 10 machine. You can download the installer from the official Anaconda website, https://www.anaconda.com/products/distribution. Run the installer that you downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Make sure to check the box that says Add Anaconda to my path environment variable during the installation process. This will automatically add Anaconda to your system path. After the installation is complete, open a new command prompt and type the following command to verify that Anaconda is in your path. This should display the version number of your Anaconda installation, indicating that the path has been set up correctly. In case you missed the option to add Anaconda to your path during installation, or if it didn't work for some reason, you can manually add it. Locate the directory where Anaconda is installed. By default, it's usually in c:\users\YourUsername\Anaconda3 or a similar path. Open a new command prompt and type the following command to verify that Anaconda is in your path. If everything is set up correctly, this should display the version number of your Anaconda installation. Congratulations! You have successfully added Anaconda Python to your path on Windows 10. This allows you to use Anaconda commands and Python seamlessly from the command prompt. ChatGPT